Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into beauty products to give you the most honest, expert insights. Today, we're taking a look at a game changer in the world of wigs, the 13x6 full frontal Skinlike Real HD Lace Wig. This beauty promises a seamless blend, a natural hairline, and full versatility, all thanks to its ultra-thin HD lace. But does it live up to the hype? Let's break it down. First, let's talk about the basics. This is a 13x6 full lace front wig made with 100% unprocessed 12A Brazilian virgin human hair. It boasts a natural straight texture and comes in a 24-inch length. The star feature here is the HD lace material, ultra thin and breathable. This wig is designed to blend flawlessly into your scalp, offering a natural, clean hairline that's nearly invisible when applied. It's pre-plucked, meaning you don't have to worry about doing all the hard work yourself. The 200% density gives it a thick, full-bodied look, ideal for those who love volume. Plus, it's made to last, with the hair being intact and undamaged, promising a lifespan of 1 to 2 years with proper care. When I first got my hands on this wig, I couldn't wait to see if the HD lace lived up to its promises. The texture of the hair itself was soft, bouncy, and free of any chemical smells. When I tried it on, I immediately noticed how light and breathable the lace felt. It blended effortlessly with my scalp, creating a natural look that was truly hard to distinguish from my real hairline. One of the key selling points is the versatility of the 13x6 lace, which gives you a larger lace area to work with. You can create various styles like a middle part, side part, or even a Z part, giving you complete freedom in how you want to wear it. I also found that styling it into a high ponytail or bun was a breeze, and the wig held its shape all day without any issues. On the downside, I did find that it took a bit of effort to secure the wig properly, especially around the edges where the lace meets the skin. This is something to keep in mind if you're looking for a truly glueless experience. Additionally, while the lace is ultra thin and breathable, it can feel a little delicate, so you'll need to handle it with care to avoid any tears or snags. Now let's talk about the price. For a wig of this quality, the price is definitely on the higher end. But when you consider the 12A Brazilian virgin human hair and the premium HD lace, you're getting a top-tier product that could last you a year or more with proper maintenance. If you're someone who loves to splurge on quality wigs, this is an investment that pays off in the long run. If you're on a budget, but still want something that offers similar versatility, there are definitely options out there. However, keep in mind that you might be sacrificing some of the finer details like the ultra-thin lace and long-lasting hair quality. So, what's the final verdict? The 13x6 full frontal Skinlike Real HD Lace Wig is an absolute standout in terms of design, comfort, and natural look. If you're someone who values a flawless, clean hairline and the ability to style your wig in various ways, this is a great choice. It's ideal for special occasions or anyone who wants to rock a wig that feels as close to natural hair as possible. That said, it's a premium product, so consider your budget before making the investment. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching. If you've tried this wig or have any other thoughts, drop a comment below and let us know your experience. We love hearing from you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.